So, guys, today we are making a very famous restaurant style chili chicken with gravy, and it's the best thing that you can eat for your lunch or dinner. For that, I have taken 400 grams of chicken. I have taken boneless chicken and I've cut it uh, in long strips. I have all in a pot. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil. I have added some garlic ginger paste, and I'm going to fry the chicken in the oil till it's soft and completely done. I have also added the garlic ginger paste. In a bowl, I have taken one capsicum chopped in square and one big onion, and I've also taken 2-3 chilies. So that also I will add. If as you can see, the chicken has changed in color, and I've added the vegetables. I've also taken some spices. I've taken red chili flakes, black pepper, salt, and I've taken sugar. I'm going to add that in the chicken. I've also taken 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, which will give a authentic Chinese taste. I've also taken 1 teaspoon heaped chili garlic sauce, and I've also added 1 glass of water. In a separate bowl, I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I will add some little water to dissolve it. And I'm going to add it in the gravy mixture. As you know, corn flour thickens the gravy. So I'm going to wait for the gravy to thicken for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you can see that the gravy will start to get thick. So make sure your chicken is all cooked and all the spices are inside the gravy, and you just have to wait for 5 to 6 minutes till the gravy thickens. As you can see, I have served the gravy on with the rice, with boiled rice. You can use fried rice, you can make egg fried rice, whatever you like. And this please subscribe to my channel if you love this recipe.